Welcome my dear student in session 7. You all must have revised lesson 1. This is the first video of this chapter, Earth and Globe. So nowadays you all know that what's happening in our country or in our world, isn't it? So let's us pray for the world and for the people who are suffering from the COVID-19 for the speedy recovery. Now we will start today's topic of class 5 SST. The chapter name is Earth and Globe. What is the name of chapter? The Earth and Globe. One more thing, while I am explaining you all, note down important things, don't forget it. So chapter 2 is Earth and Globe. So, in which planet we are living? On Earth. Earth is our planet. In class 4 also you have learned little bit about the Earth. Now, if I want to see my planet, how can I see? Who will help me? Globe. Globe will help me to see our planet because it is a small model of our Earth. So, by looking globe, we can see what are the things in our planet. You can see countries, oceans, continent, etc. So things by watching globe, which attractive things we see? It is the color. We can see that most of the part in our globe is of blue color, which indicate water bodies. So it means 71% of water is in our Earth is covered, and 29% of land, that means 3 part of land is covered with water and 1 part is continent. I hope most of them understand the ratio of water and land. It means 71% water and 29% of land. All of you know that there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. You have learned it in GK also. Actually, what is the meaning of the term continent? First of all, you know that what is continent, what are continents, and what is the meaning of land term. What is the meaning of term oceans? You must understand it. Before, we should know the history of Earth. Millions of years ago, one big land area was there. मतलब कि कई millions years पहले अर्थ जो थी वो एक बड़े से बड़ा सा लैंड पार्ट थी. It is called super continent. इसे क्या कहते थे हम? Super continent. And years later, this land split into so many pieces. और कई सालों बाद धीरे धीरे यह लैंड जो है कई पार्ट में डिवाइड हो गई. And this is how our continents are made and oceans are formed. Now, what is the meaning of continent? What is the meaning of continent? Very large water bodies are oceans and very large land areas are called continents. Now, what is the meaning of continent? It is large landmass. Landmass means a large of land on the earth surface. Surface means top of earth is called continent. So, what is continent? Very large land area of the earth surface are called continent. What is continent? Very large land area of the earth surface are called continents. Understood? Now, what is oceans? the large land masses are covered with water, these areas are known as oceans. It means large water bodies are called oceans. We all know how many continents are there. But first we write the definition of continents and ocean in your notebook. Now we will going to learn about first largest continent in the world. It is Asia. Asia. Our country is also in this continent, and the smallest continent is Australia. There are 7 continents in the world. Number 1 is Asia, number 2 is Africa, number 3 is North America, number 4 South America, number 5 Antarctica, number 6 Europe, and 7th is Australia. And there are 5 oceans. They are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, and Southern Ocean. Now, I think all of you understood it. I hope all of you understood it. Today, I Now let's revise today's topic. Earth. Earth is divided into land and water. Land is divided into 7 continents. What are continents? Continents, very large land areas are continents. There are 7 continents. Number 1 is Asia, which is the biggest continent. Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Then water. Water, it is also called, it is divided into oceans. What are oceans? Very large water bodies are called oceans. They are of 71%. There are 5 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, and Southern. The biggest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Now all of you revise the today's topic, and I will give you the homework, and all of you do your homework in your notebook. Thank you, students. We will meet in next session. Bye.